Hi everybody, welcome to week 5. This is your official video for module 5. This week we're going to be doing our final preparations for your tribute speeches. Last week you turned in your topics and I was very interested to see the people that you have chosen to give tribute to in this very first speech that we have. I'm in one of my upstairs bedrooms just simply because I wanted to show you how easy it is to minimize distractions behind you. I've got my phone set up on a dresser that's pulled a little bit close to me, and so you can see there's just not a whole lot going on. I really want you to look at your surrounding area when you give your speeches because that's going to count as part of your grade. Try to minimize distraction, get some lighting on yourself, put the camera up at a level even with your vision, and just try to do your best to look at the camera. You might want to look down at your notes, but just to present so that we feel like you're talking to us. Okay, so here in week 5, we're going to build on last week's chapter 9, organizing and outlining. And you're going to learn this week about introductions and conclusions, as well as chapter 18, which is about special occasion speeches. The tribute speech that you're going to be doing is actually considered a special occasion speech that you might give at a birthday party, or maybe as a eulogy at a funeral, or just as a presentation honoring someone. It's not really an informative speech or persuasive, but it is a special occasion speech. In this chapter on special occasion speeches, you'll also learn about things like maybe speaking at a graduation or a convocation, or giving the best man toast at a wedding, because we've all heard those that are a train wreck. And this chapter is going to really give you some practical tips on how to prepare those speeches with a memorable story, a little outline in your head so that you know where you're going, and then a memorable ending. So we have 3 chapters for this week, and there's going to be a quiz to go with each one of those, and then the only other assignment that you have to turn in is your outline for your tribute speech. If you open the assignment, you'll see that there's a clear example of a blank outline, and you can copy that onto a Word document. And there's also an actual outline from one of our other public speaking teachers of a tribute speech that she gave regarding her mom. So you can see exactly what the outline for a tribute speech should look like. So you're going to turn those in this week, and I'm going to actually use those when you give your speech, and I grade you just to see that you're following along, that you have main points, and you have supporting anecdotes for those main. As always, if you have any questions on anything or anything I can do to help you, then just reach out to me via email, and I'll be glad to help you. Now have a great week, and let's get working on those tribute speeches.